can you see who views your Pinterest? That's the question that I'm going to give you an answer. So the short answer is no, and I've actually tested this and I've tried to see this any way you can check, but there's no way, unfortunately. And I know it's a good feature to have to check the you know if you see who views your, it's pretty cool, but there's no way you can do that, unfortunately. And also I've looked through online, there's for more people, more knowledge, or someone that uh, tried this multiple times or other ways, but only found this on Quora, and someone answered here as well. The same, kind of the same, gave us the same answer I did before. Because like there's no really way to see who views your Pinterest page, but the only way you can get demographic information. So if someone is following you, can see from where they're following you from, which country, just demographic information. But no, in essence, no, you can't do it. There's no way, and I'm sorry for that. There's no way. So that's the answer, guys. Uh, Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.